Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Producteev projects using archive exports. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To backup your Producteev projects using archive exports, begin by logging into your Producteev account. Navigate to the Projects tab located on the left sidebar. Select the project you wish to backup. Click on the Project Settings gear icon in the upper right corner of the project view. From the drop-down menu, choose the option for Export. You will see several export formats available. Select the format that suits your needs, typically in a zip or CSV format. After selecting the format, click the Export button. A prompt may appear, confirming your export request. Wait for the system to generate your export file. Once the file is ready, you will receive a notification, and a download link will be provided. Click on the link to download the exported file to your computer. Ensure that you save the file in a designated backup folder for easy access. Repeat this process for any other projects you wish to backup. Review the downloaded files to confirm that the exports contain all necessary project details. Store your backups securely in a location where you can easily retrieve them if needed. Regularly schedule time to update these backups for ongoing project security. This method ensures that your Producteev projects remain safe and retrievable. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.